Excuse me. Ma'am. That's rude. Goddamn the shit that we do before we got down. Work on the whips.
You really want to just block him, bro?
We just chilling right now. But,
I can do this.
Pull up on your block with that gun, shoot him down. Pull up on that block with that gun, I got 100 rounds. Yeah, you know what's up, bitch, you bomb. Bitch, I'm running down. Yeah, bitch, you run town. Pull up in the beamer, bitch, you know we about to do the dash. Pull up on the beamer, yeah, you know I'm about to bust your ass. Hit you in your head, hit you in your fucking back. Niggas know what's up, bitch, you know I got 100 racks. Pulling up in the truck, yeah, it's friendly. Pulling up in the truck, I ain't friendly. Hit a nigga in his gut, in his head. Yeah, you know that nigga dead. Oh God.
yeah. So there's several things that we got to do today. One of them is fixing my boo-boo. Yeah, I don't know how that fucking happened. Well, I do know how it happened, and I'm actually pretty pissed off about how it happened.
Yeah. What's really happening is KOSI fucking.
Yo, relax.
Curb is real.
Yo.
Big time.
Yo. Stop it.
Big time rash. Shout out to Nickelodeon. And.
Hold on. These kids ain't gonna understand that.
So. Alright, so I got a fucking little grinder. And I'm gonna fucking just sand it smooth.
He's about to be scared as shit.
KOSI?
Yeah,
I mean, you already fucked it up. What's the worst that can happen?
Oh yeah, look at the dust particles, bro. He's like, damn, this or 200 bucks.
That's like $50 worth of metal coming off of your
Stop. See? See? Easy. Easy work.
Give it a little bit more yander, you'll be good.
That boy was all goddamn scared and nervous.
I was.
What is your reasoning for wasting this $220 that could be going towards
Other
supercharger, turbocharger, things that would actually.
I appreciate what Dre's doing, and it's probably gonna last another year or so. But I'm probably gonna buy a new wheel.
That you ain't using.
Hey, what?
This that new. Yeah. Spec go. Spec go. Y'all ain't seen this spec.
I got the dope.
Y'all ain't seen this spec. He didn't just say that either. Y'all ain't seen this spec. Come on, bro. Look at me.
What is that, Lowe's?
Y'all think I could ride the ATV out this door right here?
Silver Surfer edition.
No, I ain't talking about that shit.
We don't, bro, wait till we get inside. You haven't seen anything.
They're definitely gonna kick us out for the camera.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, he's watching it.
He just watching this. He didn't even touch that one. That's what I knew.
16? Or that one?
Yeah.
Get to it, I'm 16 and run it.
Nigga, we finna get 4 up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Each corner? Each
Yeah.
corner type shit.
There we go. So he got
Yeah.
Y'all got,
We gotta get a power breaker.
also, y'all gotta get
Feeling uncomfortable is the same for the associates. Okay.
I mean, 5 minutes ago, while we were yeah,
And we're here also too. Yeah. Like I said, it's very simple. You know, if my associates are feeling comfortable, we just need to make sure we're like that. No. It's the same way you do.
Thank you. Thank you, boss. You don't have to help us anymore. I appreciate you.
We got our fucking lights that we needed.
I'd have popped bro off and dipped.
They said Ken was too black, so we had to leave.
Yeah, I'd have ran back down.
You definitely got. We back. Back with another banger. We about to install some coilovers today. On the new whip. Y'all have not seen the new car, but y'all about to find out what it is. Chill, bro. What the heck? It's here. So what we working with today, my boy. Toss me that guy. Yeah. So we putting these bad boys in today. From the color, y'all might not know what brand. We're not gonna say what brand, but we're gonna fully send it like always. We're gonna do before and afters, and let's get it. Stay tuned.
Hey, hop about the whip. Hey, hop about the. Hey, hop about the whip. Then I hit my fade bow. With my babe go. Yeah, she fresh from head to toe. Yeah, she scream my name on my damn show. Yeah, she bad. Fresh from head to toe. Yeah. Got a.
Alright, so look though. We got down.
To even get this monstrosity out, all you literally have to do is 3 screws. They're all E's, but I cheated and used the 10. Pop the 3 screws out, and then you got there's 2 21s right there on that one, and then that one is a 18 on this side, but under the cover, god dang. Under the cover on this side is a Torx, an E in there. I think it was an E12. I used a 14 and got it out. So this is like behind the caliper. Under this cover is an E.
Yeah,
and
plastic too.
those are the only 3 screws.
So don't break it. So with this bad boy, I think we're gonna cut that bitch to like right there.
No, absolutely just like 1 coil.
1.
In that thing, licking her clit. 2 minutes. She got that 2-minute ride.
2 minutes.
No flavor. She don't do it right.
Don't do.
We do it all night.
We doing it. Shit. Woo. Damn, Kay, why you stop? That shit was kind of going.
I was just going off.
Doing it.
The back is done, and technically we already got the driver's side done. And act like we knew how to put the car together and we didn't. So all you gotta do is there's a E18 right here to take off the bar. You don't have to take the whole bar off. You just gotta take this nut out. If you don't have an E18 like we did, you just use a 14. The rest of these are 14s also, so you just pop these. I already got mine finger tight. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is take the 1 bolt loose from the knuckle. It's an 18 on each side, and then the sway bar is a 16 with a T30 in the middle. We are putting an adjustable sway bar, so we're taking it out from the bottom also. Same rule for the T30. I just did it on the other side. It worked perfectly. Tits. KOSI's going to give you B-roll of the driver's side while I go ahead and take this out.
Pretty, but don't get it twisted, keep the pole, yeah. Be taking trick shit with me on the road. Screaming 222 and now she wanna let it go, yeah. Slip and slide, shawty wanna kick it, she a ride or die. Take a ID, we had no boo tonight, yeah. Shawty trippin', seeing shit, she hella.
So now, trying to test that fitment. What you say, Hot?
Trying to test that fitment. That FITMENT.
Oh, what? Perfect.
Oh, look at the back. Look at the back.
I gotta get a damn.
Yeah.
Hide. Start it and back up a little bit.
Oh, look at the.
I gotta get a piece of log.
That's wild.
No, this other jacket works.
Huh?
Yo.
Other jacket works.
Ooh. He's spicy. That man is spicy.
That rear is on point. You might have to go up a little bit.
That'd be alright. It might tuck.
That FITMENT